All right, y'all ready to try another one? I'm still gonna do UPS check to kind of help me plan the steps that I would do to do this problem. This time I'm gonna use just sheet of notebook paper to show you that you can do it like this as well. A bunch of different ways. Last time I used an index card. You can grab your journal and do it this way. All right, we're gonna read this problem. Okay, according to our U, we need to start by reading the problem twice. So it says Maddox has 4 boxes with 32 marbles in each box. He has 7 boxes with 18 shells in each box. If he gets 20 marbles from a friend, how many marbles and shells does he have? All right, let's read it a second time, and let's kind of underline the important information and kind of point it out. So it says Maddox has 4 boxes with 32 marbles in each box. He also has 7 boxes with 18 shells in each. And then he also gets 20 marbles from a friend. The question is asking us, how many marbles and shells does he have, right? We are looking for the total, right? If we're looking for the total, we don't have it, it's either going to be a multiplication or an addition problem. If we already have the total, it's subtraction or division. All right, let's write down some of this important information from the story. So I know he has 4 boxes. You could even draw pictures. Here's 4 boxes. And there's 32 in each, 32 marbles in each box. So I might put 32 in each of those boxes. We also know that he has 7 boxes with 18 shells, like seashells, in each box. So I could draw 7 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes. There's 18 shells in each box. I'm going to put 18 in each box. And then we also know he gets 20 marbles from a friend. $20 marbles from a friend. What's the question asking us? How many total? Right? We are looking for the total. We don't have it. All right, let's make a plan. Well, I'm going to use some of this information that we kind of used to understand to make a plan. So I'm going to slide this over a little bit. There we go. Let's draw a strip diagram to help us make a plan. Nice long strip here. We don't know how much this is. Here we go. But I know that we don't know what this total is, right? This is the total. We don't know what it is. Let's call it X, right? It's missing. Give it a variable. You could put any letter that you want. We don't know what it is, but we do know some things. So what's part of this total? Well, 4 boxes that are 32 in each. So let's do that. Here's 4 boxes, 32 in each. We know 7 boxes have 18 shells. So let's try to draw this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I made them too small. There's 18 in each of these. All right, do I have 7 sets of 18? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what else does he have? 20 marbles from a friend. So I know all of these together would give me the total. Now let's write some equations that match our strip diagram. Well, how many sets of 32 do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can do 32 times 4. How many sets of 18 do I have? I'm going to do that first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 18 times 7. And then I also have a 20. So if I did 32 times 4, got that number, then did 18 times 7, got that number, and then added 20, and I added all those up. That should give me the total number of shells that we have here. Or you could sit there and add them all up, right? 32 plus 32 plus 32 plus, you know, add all of these up. But I think it'll be faster if we multiply. All right, so let's actually solve it here. So let's carry out this equation that we've done. All right, so 32 times 4. Let's do that first. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. So I know that's 128 marbles. Then 18 times 7, we have 18 shells, 7 boxes. Multiply those. Okay, what is 7 times 8? Well, if you don't know your multiplication facts, it's hard. So if you can teach yourself some tricks. So I know 7 times 7 is 49. And then if I add another 7, I can do 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So there's tricks if you don't know your multiplication facts, all of them. So 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 1 is 7. Plus these extra 5 is what? 12. So 126 shells. And then don't forget our 20. And then we also have 20. What's the last step to do once we have all of these 3 sections? We then need to add all of those up, right? 128, 126, and then 20. Let's add them all up. 8 plus 6 is 14. Very good. 2, 4, 6 plus 1, which is 7. 1 and 1 is 2. So the total is 274. We're going to put that answer in a complete sentence. So Maddox has 274 marbles and shells. Let's think, is that reasonable? Yeah, it seems reasonable, right? It's not like thousands and thousands. It's not smaller than what we started with. So I knew that it had to be larger than all the numbers we had. So it does seem reasonable to me. And there we have it. We have used our UPS check to help us understand what's going on. We've made a plan using strip diagrams and equations, and then we have actually solved our problem.